Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video I will show you how to go on live on TikTok without 1,000 of followers. So first, when you go to your TikTok, if you see this live, then good. But if you cannot see this live feature, what you have to do is screenshot this page or this section of the TikTok and then go to your profile. And then once you go to your profile, click these three lines on the upper right corner and then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see this report a problem. Here you just type I can't live or I can't start a live, and then scroll down, click see more, choose this I can't find any live on TikTok, and then wait for that to load. So what you will do here is you click no if this suggestion from TikTok don't work for you, and then click need more help. So what you will do here, and when you click need more help, you will have to write about this problem, live problem on your TikTok app, and get help from the TikTok team. Here I'm just going to write this, and then you will upload the screenshot that you've taken a while ago to send them that you don't have this live feature on your TikTok, and then wait for them to reply or for them to fix the problem. And that's it. That's how you go on live on TikTok without 1,000 of followers. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.